You do not need to take off the tires when it comes to doing the brake lines on your Hummer H2. I have successfully removed the front brake line hoses on my H2. With that being said, we're going to be talking about the rear upper brake line hoses in this video. If you've never seen these brake line hoses before, they are like that on your vehicle. Now, this is the bottom, this is the top, okay? At the bottom, you do not need to take this bolt out. Notice two small clips right here. Right here, you've got, I believe, a 12mm bolt. It sits on the upper rear diff. I've never even noticed before, but it's at the very top in the center. You take that bolt out, cut the brake lines off. Now this piece is loose. Going to the top, notice big clips at the top. I cut the brake lines right here where my finger is, and that's how I accessed this bolt. Take that bolt off, and again, the unit will come out. Now, big pro tip I want to pass along to you guys is that these two hoses are not the same. It's a mistake that I made when I was looking at my hoses. Let me explain. On the top up here, let's see. One of these sides, this side right here, is actually slightly longer than the left, the tip. When it comes to inserting these rear upper brake line hoses, right here and right here, the designs are slightly different on both hoses. For example, this hose right here, notice how there's like little tang right there at the top and a long tang at the bottom. Same on this, all right? I forget which side this goes on, but when you're putting this in, you'll be like, oh, that goes there, that goes there. You want to make sure they line up. On the opposite side, one of these has a tang like this, and I believe it's up here from what I remember. It's like a half moon and then like, crazy rectangles. So when you look at your upper brake line hoses and you look at them, you say, oh, hey, they're not the same size. This side's a little longer and they're cut a little differently. That's completely normal on these hoses. What I ended up doing is I went out and I called the guy and he sent me another hose, which I'm gonna have to call him back and I'm gonna pay for it. So install those brake line hoses correctly, guys. When you're looking at your hoses, you did not get the wrong hoses. They are correct. And I'll give you guys an update in my next video.